What's up, guys? We back with another one. Today we got two vehicles in. We ain't gonna be doing no surgeries, anything as usual. We're gonna be doing some different stuff. We got a Dodge Ram diesel. We're gonna be putting some cap lights on, some white cap lights. We're gonna be installing those onto the truck. Then we got this badass Corvette. We're gonna be cutting out the hood, which is right out there, fitting this intake and making it fit, so that way you can still open it and close it and still cover all the electronics and the fuse box and all that. So that's what we got for today. Badass. We're gonna be working on that. We're gonna get the cap lights done first. That won't take long. Get that cap lights done, wired up, powered up, and get the customer to pick it up, and then we'll start working on the Corvette. Sorry guys, camera cut off. What you can see here, white LEDs. We're gonna go ahead and install everything. We're gonna put some tape, mask everything centered up, and then we'll go ahead and run our wire to this wire here. Check everything, make sure everything's on before we go ahead and drill them in, and then that way he can still work them in with his factory switch as he turns on his driving lights and all that. Everything will turn on. All right guys, we got everything installed. It's not drilled down yet, but I kind of wanted to make sure I got all the measurements on all three of these. All right, time to put some weather glue on it, go from there. All right guys, everything's wired up as you can see and functional. Good. Just start putting the headliner back, put everything back together, and then we'll get some shots from. All right guys, everything's done. Got everything back on. Let's check out the lights.
Perfect.
Cut out for the intake. Came out badass. This car is badass.